Oh hey, it's me Chris. Let's discover something new today. But in this discovery, if you're doing this at home, make sure to have parent supervision. Sister Priya loves Play-Doh. And we often leave it out. And I've been wondering how can I make my own Play-Doh? So I looked it up and I saw that I had all the ingredients. And this is what we need. Some flour, a cup of flour, a cup of water, a half a cup of salt, and a tablespoon of oil, and some food coloring. That's optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. And a pan. We're gonna be using the stove. So I'll say this once and again. Make sure to have parents supervision. So we're gonna be pouring the stuff in since we already know what we have and how much we need. Okay, Priya, can you pour this one in? Okay, and then this one. This one's pretty tricky because we accidentally broke the handle. Oh, we put it in. Okay, and then our liquids. Okay, and that one in. Oil, and then the cup. Priya, want to help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Much.
So now let's put it on the stove. We have the Play-Doh on the stove on medium heat, and we're going to be stirring it until it gets smooth. You can add food coloring if you want to. You don't have to. This is hard.
Hot.
Okay. I'm gonna add the food coloring until this just gets wet. I'm gonna add about 2 to 3 drops of food coloring. You wanna help?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, it's green. Okay, let's stir it again. Oh wow, it's looking nice.
Nice. Hot.
Yeah, hot.
No, hot. Hot. Hot.
Yeah, if you put your hands in or on the fire, it will give you allergies.
Okay.
So make sure to have parent supervision or yeah.
This
Oh, I can use blue if you want. Yeah, I use green. It looks pretty smooth. So I have something to put it on. I'm gonna scoop it on. It doesn't really look pretty green. Let's get all the oh. Okay, that looks like most of it. Make sure to let it cool before you touch it. I wanted to add some more green food coloring, but I didn't want it to get all over my hands, and my mom would not be happy with a mess of green. So I'm just gonna let it cool down. It's pretty warm. Well, when you're waiting, this is a good time to clean up your mess. I'm gonna clean up. Put this in the sink. Pretty good to touch. Hey, Priya, wanna feel? Here, run over. How does it feel? Does it feel like Play-Doh?
Down.
Yeah.
Down.
Wanna make cookies?
Yeah. Down.
There you go, that's cookie. Want cookie dough? Oh, no, you don't eat it.
Down.
thanks for helping me make Play-Doh. I wonder what we're gonna discover next. Smelling it. Smells like Play-Doh.
Pickle.